A while back I bought side paneling awning for my VW campervan, and when I was doing the research on it there wasn't many videos that showed what it looked like, so I thought I'd do a short video to show you how it gets connected and what it looks like when it's on the van. The side panel awning I got is from a company called Comfortz, ending in a Z. I'll leave a link to where you can get it in the description of this video. So the awning came in this bag. It's pretty good size, so it's easy to fit the awning in it. So you get a bag. These are for clipping them down, and then you get tent pegs as well. And these are to help secure the bottom as well. You get 3 panels, 2 side panels, one with a window, one with a door, and then you get the main one that sort of slides on the awning itself. So these are the 3 panels you get. This is one side panel with a window, and that basically zips onto the one of the bars on the awning that folds out from the van. Then you get the main panel that slides onto the space. There's a little gap on the end of the rollout awning, and that just slides in, and that has one window. And then you have the other side panel that is a door. Now the thing with this, you can have the door on either side of the awning. Now this bit here slides into there's a gap at the very end of the rollout awning, and it just slides right in. And then when you zip on the other sides onto the 2 arms of the rollout awning, these just then velcro together, and then that sticks onto the downward stand on the rollout awning. Now I wanted to show you what these were. You stick them in the side like that, and then this one's the whole way through, and when that's up, so imagine that being up already on the other awning, that goes through there, that goes in there, and then you push it in the ground to hold it in. And then what that does, because it's bungee cord, it can stretch for the wind. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope it helped. Like I said, when I was looking for the side panel awning, there was many videos there, so hopefully this helps you. Okay, until next time, I'll see you later.